Bohol, we will go to the beach. And then I will wear my bikini, Shein bikini. And I will run to you. And then you will carry me. And then you will throw me.
Into the water? Into the water?
You can kiss before you throw me.
I like this. This is good.
Yeah, we can do like walking in the side of the beach, you know.
Yeah. You swim? You're a good swimmer?
If have a tidal wave, like very big wave or weaving the ocean, I am not good swimmer. But if the beach is like no wave, yeah, I am, I think, a good swimmer in your back riding you while you are swimming.
Yeah, right. You can ride me. That'd be nice.
You like that?
Yeah.